For centuries, we've thought of gravity as a pull. Newton called it a universal force between mass. Einstein saw it as the curvature of space. Both are brilliant, but they leave us with huge cosmic mysteries. Why do galaxies spin so fast? They should fly apart. To fix this, we invented dark matter, an invisible substance making up 85% of all matter. But we've never found it. Why is the expansion of the universe speeding up? For this, we came up with dark energy, a mysterious force pushing everything apart. But we don't know what it is. Together, these two invisible unknowns supposedly make up 95% of our entire universe. What if the problem isn't missing stuff, but a misunderstanding of gravity itself? A groundbreaking new theory called Boko dual gravity, or BDG, proposes a radical new idea. What if masses don't attract each other at all? Instead, what if gravity is the expression of an organizational field, a Unity Basin, that every system from an atom to a galaxy creates to hold itself together? In this view, gravity isn't a pull from the outside. It's an internal organizing principle. It's not about mass pulling. It's about energy structuring itself. The BDG framework is built on a single, elegant equation for gravity. This equation has a special property. It changes its behavior depending on the scale. At the scale of our solar system, it behaves exactly like Newton's and Einstein's gravity. It passes every high-precision test we've ever thrown at it. For example, lunar laser ranging, which measures the Earth-Moon distance down to the millimeter, shows that Earth's Unity Basin must be tiny, less than 4 millimeters. Data from Mercury's orbit confirms this, placing the Sun's Unity Basin at less than a meter. This is why we've never noticed a difference before in our local neighborhood. BDG and general relativity are practically identical, but when we zoom out to the galactic scale, everything changes. Here, the BDG equation naturally predicts that stars on the outskirts of a galaxy will maintain a constant speed, creating the flat rotation curves we observe. It does this without any need for dark matter. The Milky Way's observed rotation speed, for instance, perfectly fits the BDG model. If its Unity Basin has a radius of about 8 billion meters, no invisible matter needed, just a different mode of gravity at a larger scale. And it gets even better. When we zoom out further, to the scale of the entire cosmos, the BDG model predicts an effective cosmic acceleration. This acceleration arises naturally from the outer limits of the universe's own Unity Basin, pushing things apart over vast distances. It explains the accelerating expansion of the universe without needing any mysterious dark energy. So, let's put it all together. The Boko dual gravity model offers a single, unified law that does it all. It reproduces Newton and Einstein's gravity where it's been proven correct. It explains why galaxies don't fly apart, solving the dark matter problem. And it explains why the universe's expansion is accelerating, solving the dark energy problem. One theory, one equation, unifying gravity from the solar system to galaxies to the entire cosmos. This isn't just a minor tweak to our existing theories. It's a complete paradigm shift. It redefines gravity as an organizational property of energy itself. The best part, the BDG model makes specific, testable predictions. One fascinating prediction is the energetic resonance mismatch. The theory suggests that an object new to a gravitational system, like a freshly fallen meteorite, won't immediately be in perfect sync with Earth's gravity. Its apparent weight might change ever so slightly over time as it settles in. This effect is incredibly small, but it's within reach of modern, ultra-precise laboratory scales. Finding this would be a smoking gun for BDG, a phenomena that no other theory of gravity predicts. Another test involves using a torsion balance, a modern version of the experiment, first used to measure gravity's strength. BDG predicts a tiny deviation from Newton's law at meter-scale distances. While current experiments haven't been designed to look for this specific effect, the prediction is clear and waiting to be tested. What the Boko dual gravity model represents is a bold step forward. It suggests that the 95% of the universe we thought was missing might not be missing at all. It might have been hidden in plain sight within the true nature of gravity. This is a journey from seeing gravity as a simple pull to understanding it as the universe's own organizing force. It's a powerful, elegant, and testable new vision of the cosmos. Thanks for watching, and if you want to keep exploring the frontiers of science, make sure to subscribe for more.